Look at the pictures. What kind of weather do you see? The children can play outside because it is sunny. If it were raining, they would not be able to play because the ground would be wet and slippery. The children could slip and hurt themselves. Do you notice what the children are wearing? Because the day is sunny, the children are wearing clothes that are loose and light. This kind of clothing is cool and comfortable to wear when the day is hot. Weather is an important part of our lives. It tells the kinds of activities we can do during the day. It even affects the clothes we can wear. Planning activities. You can do many activities in any kind of weather. For example, you can read, listen to music, and talk on the phone in any kind of weather. However, there are some activities that you can do only on certain kinds of weather. During sunny weather, you can play outdoors with your friends. You can go swimming. You can also help your family hang wet clothes and put things outdoors to dry. During cloudy weather, you can still play outdoors with your family and friends. You can go on outings with your family or have a picnic during this kind of weather. During windy weather, you can play with paper pinwheels outside. You can also fly kites and paper airplanes. During rainy or stormy weather, children may have to stay at home. Classes may be suspended because of heavy rains. Some places may become flooded. Even some adults cannot go to work. However, you can still do many things at home during these kinds of weather. You can read, listen to music, watch television, or play indoor games with your family. Choosing clothes. When choosing your clothes, you have to consider the weather for the day. This way, you stay comfortable and protected against any weather conditions. During hot, sunny days, wear thin clothes that are white or light colored to help you stay cool. Use an umbrella when you have to stay under the sun for long. You may also wear a hat or a cap to protect yourself against the heat of the sun. During windy days, wear clothes that are not too loose. Loose clothing may get in your way when the wind blows on them. Girls should avoid wearing wide skirts. The wind can blow the skirts up their legs. During rainy or stormy days, wear thick clothes to avoid getting cold. You may also put on a hooded jacket or sweater over your clothes. When you have to go out, always bring an umbrella or wear a raincoat. If your area gets flooded, wear a pair of rain boots to keep your feet dry. Keeping safe. During fine weather, protect yourself from the heat of the sun. As much as possible, do not go out of the house from 10 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is the time when the heat of the sun is strongest. When you have to go outside, use an umbrella to protect yourself from the harmful rays of the sun. You may also apply a sunblock on your skin. A sunblock is a cream or lotion that protects the skin against harmful sunlight. During stormy weather, heavy rains can cause flooding. Strong winds can uproot trees and toss around plants. They can destroy houses and other structures. They can also throw small objects, like pieces of wood, around. To stay safe during bad weather, stay inside your house. Do not go out to play. Instead, listen to weather reports on the radio, television, or internet. This way, you and your family can prepare for whatever the weather will bring. For example, if you live in a place that gets easily flooded, your family can prepare to leave for safer places before the weather gets worse. You may also help your parents prepare things that you may need if the weather becomes worse. For example, you may prepare matches, candles, and flashlights. You will need these in case the electricity is cut off because of the strong winds or flooding. You may also help prepare an emergency bag that contains water, food, medicine, and other things that your family may need during an emergency.